Are you thinking of buying a new house in 2022? Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team, and we have some great tips for what are do's and don'ts as you enter that process, coming straight from a top-notch lender we work with, Shawn with Prime Lending. All right, so Shawn, when you're looking to purchase a house, what are some of the things that you should actually do?
So two things. Keep your spending habits and your lifestyle the same. Don't go live inside a bubble. Continue to spend like you've always spent. Doesn't hurt to save a little bit more. And then secondly is notify us if you move money. We often get asked, is it okay to move money or is it not okay? It is okay. Let's just paper trail it. So notify us when money is moved.
Okay, so those are your do's. What are some of the things that can sometimes get us in trouble? Shawn, what are the don'ts that we should not do when purchasing a house?
Do not compare yourself to family or friends. Time will make a difference. Rates change daily, sometimes multiple times in a single day. So don't compare, because loan to value, credit score, timing can all be different and cause rates and terms to be completely different. The second is don't take a change in compensation, meaning don't go from maybe a salaried position to a strictly 100% commission structure. That will jeopardize the pre-approval. So if you're pre-approved as a W-2 client and then now you're a highly commissioned, then the commissions cannot be included until you have a 2-year history. So don't do that. Secondly, don't open up new credit. If you need to utilize existing credit, totally fine. Don't open up new credit.
Okay, very good. So those are our do's and don'ts. Shawn's contact information will be in the contact information below. We look forward to making sure you purchase a house that reaches your goals for 2022.